Hi guys, so we are at North Sheen station level crossing in Greater London with Joe and M train. Nice alarm there. There we go. Wow. Time now is 12:56 on Wednesday the 26th of October 2016. This is for your 12:56 2 Oscar 31 Southwest train service from London Waterloo to London Waterloo, and your 12:59 2 Uniform 34 Southwest train service from London Waterloo, Windsor and Eton Riverside to London Waterloo.
Should I go out for a bridge view?
Hey?
Should I go out for a bridge view?
Does this 1306 call it hang on.
I might go out for a bridge view.
Let's wait for the 1309 in a minute after this. Go over the crossing so we can get across the road after the closure. I have to wait for Michael though. Here it comes. There's another aeroplane as well. Wow, that's proper high. That's right above us, that is. Here's something as well. We've got 458 529. 458 529 to 458 502 to London Waterloo, and 455 868. Four five 868 to 455702 to London Waterloo, and or to wherever it's going anyway, and up they go. London Waterloo. It's doing a circular, turning around at Kingston. That's guys, next video.